Take a twist, left elbow outside of your right knee. Chest away, hands touch. Okay, now open your arms. Back, release. Take your right leg back, point your toes back. Lean back, take your knees off. Hands to prayer position. Stretch your top of your feet. Alright, now drop it down. Left foot forward. Curl your toes under. Take your right arm up. Twist. Keep lifting your chest away and open your arms. Okay, now back release, point your toes back again. Lean back. Hands to prayer position. Gentle release. Coming to down the dog. Soften your knees. Jump outside of your hands. Hands to prayer position. Move your hips side to side. Drop your right arm. Hold it up. Back release. Left arm, right arm up. Back release. Hands to prayer position again with your chest up. Okay, release your hips down, toes pointing forward with your hips. Take your left hand in the middle, right arm up. Left hand on the block or on the mat. Release your right hand down, keep both legs straight if possible. Extend your left arm up, rotate from your chest. And back release, bring your feet a hip width apart. Hold on to your elbows. Bend knees or straight legs. Release your arms down. Lower your hips down. Bend your knees. Rest your elbows on top of your knees. Look forward. Okay, right leg straight. Take your right arm up. Okay, now from here, take your right hand behind, grab your thigh. Look over your left shoulder or look up towards the ceiling. Diana, right leg straight. Right leg straight. Okay, now release the other leg. Take your left hand behind. Open your chest, your shoulders. Okay, look down. Take both arms down. Relax your arms again. Bend knees or straight legs. Alright, now soften your knees, press to your feet, roll up to standing. Take your arms all the way up, interlace your fingers. Index finger pointing up, bend to your right side. Pressing your left foot down on the mat. And back. to center. Inhale, exhale, bend to your left side. Back to center, release your arms down behind, interlace your fingers, knuckles down towards the floor, chin up. Open your shoulders near your collarbone, chin up towards ceiling. Okay, gently tuck your chin and fold forward, stretch your arms away. You can move your body or your head side to side. Support your back with both hands. Come all the way back up. Hands right behind into your back knee. Back to center. Place one block in front of your right foot. Okay, hips square, shoulders square. Lift your chest up. Lean your chest near forward. Release your hands down on the mat or on the block. Rock your body forward and back. Okay, lean forward and hold your stretch. Relax your head down, your shoulders, your arms. Move your hips to your right side. Hips to center. Bend both knees. Curly spine, roll up. Set your right foot back, feet hip width apart the neck. Hands right behind, lift your chest up, push hips forward. Back bend, chest up, and back, return. The other leg. Okay, lengthen up again. Exhale, fold. Rock your body forward and back. Lean forward and hold your stretch. Take your hips to your left side. Hips back to center. Bend your knees, curly spine, roll up. Set your feet hip width apart, raise your arms up again, interlace your fingers. Chin up, drop your head back. Okay, now back to center, release your arms down. Step your right leg back around 3 feet apart. Knee bent. Raise your right arm up. Push your hips near. Lead your left hand to your right side. Push your back leg straight. Press your right heel down. Okay, now front leg straight. And turn your chest out open towards ceiling. Back to center, arms straight. Lead your chest forward again. Hips back. Your right hand outside of your left foot. On the block or on the mat. Lift your chest up, extend your left arm. You push your left hip backward. Okay, now look down, release where your hands down, underneath your shoulders. Bend your back leg. From back leg in here. Okay, now take your hands, arms around your legs. Hawakan nyo yung calf muscles nyo. Interlace your fingers. Okay, now from here, straighten both legs. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, now release, put your hands down. Bend your front knee, lift your right leg up, high or low, but keep it straight. Now bend your standing leg, hands together. Keep your right leg straight. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Set your right foot down, feet hip width apart. Curl your spine on your way up to standing. Take your left foot back. Bend your front knee, slight bend on your front knee. Push your hips to your left. Okay, now straighten your front leg, open your hips now, turn your chest out, look up towards the ceiling, keep pushing your hips. Front leg straight. Okay, now facing front, both legs straight. Reach your arm forward, hips back, keep pushing your right hip now. Left hand outside of your right foot. Now extend your right arm up. Keep stretching your right arm up towards the ceiling. Okay, now look down, release your right hand down. Bend your back leg. Place your hands behind your leg. Back leg bend. Now straighten both legs. You may release your hands down, bend your front knee, lift your left leg up. When left leg is straight, either high or low. Bend your standing leg. Hands together. Prayer position. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Step back to downward dog. Bend your left leg. Right leg straight, move your hips to your right. Right leg bend, left leg straight, move your hips to your left side. Hips back to center, take your chest forward to your plank. Okay, drop your right knee down underneath your right hip. Left foot, turn in, right foot, right leg. Balik cross nyo yung right leg nyo. Now extend your left arm up. Okay, bottom leg. Extend it back. Side plank. Lift your hips now. Look up towards your left fingertips. Okay, now look down, release your left hand down, both knees down too.